Hello! Today I'm going to unbox a new comic book. Let's see. A package like this. Let's unbox it. This is very solid. Let's open it another way. It's like this. Wow, look. It's Understanding the Invisible Art Comics. New York Times, the best-selling author, Scott McCloud. You must read this book, said Neil Gaiman. It's like this. It's a comic book who teach us how to draw comic books. Hi, I'm Scott McCloud. When I was a little kid, I knew exactly what comics were. Comics were those bright, colorful magazines filled with bad art, stupid stories, and guys in tights. Stuff like this. And since it teaches us how to draw comic books. My mom bought me this at Amazon with 23 Canadian dollars. Wow. It tells how to draw shadows. There's a story too. I'm going to read it to you in another video. But now I'm going to read it myself. Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my awesome videos. Bye!